Welcome to PDFtools.site. Open your browser. In the search bar, type PDF Tools and press Enter. Click on the second link or go directly to PDFtools.site. Scroll down and click on the PDF Converter tool. Go to the Upload area. Click on Browse File and upload your PDF. Choose your desired format by clicking one of the options. PDF to Word, click the Convert button. Click to download your converted file. Congratulations! Your PDF has been successfully converted to your selected format, Word/text/PPT/Excel/image. Thanks for watching. Like, share and follow for more helpful videos and tips.